Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be watching the saddest Thai commercial. This is called Sister, and we're going to get right into it. If you guys don't like feeling sad or down, this is not the video for you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's see what this is all about, guys.
Nyoy pegah ba Google, nyo kena aplikasi baru aplikasi www.humble.com.
I remember when I was a kid, when I would
Yo,
cry,
payah
I would
buka deh.
talk
Payah upload jaket.
about it. They just bullied the
Jaket
youth.
shopping.
Nothing new, you know, it happens to everyone.
Wih, beres-beres dekat dia. Payah upload dia tah ngpasolek tok ngejauh ku deh. Tah pu dah upload tah. Ada offer dong. Shopping. Wih, ada. Beres. Nyo dah botu tah suk samping. Lagi wak Korea. Lagi wak Korea. Shopping. Nyo payah upload baje le. Baje hana dong. Shopping.
The older sister really hates the younger sister.
Batu hana gaya dong, mana batu. Payah upload batu Adidas. Shopping. Ya. Nyo upload upload je. Yang alam na le nyo ngan tutung rumah nak buat tengah HP dah tapi shopping.
Oh!
Apa